Hello again. Today we are going to show you the simple steps to clean your lawnmower's air filter, ensuring your mower runs smoothly and efficiently. Stay tuned to learn how to maintain your machine with ease. If you have any question, you can ask us on the comments below.
Welcome to our guide on how to clean a lawn mower air filter. A clean air filter is essential for the efficient operation of your lawn mower. Start by locating the air filter. It's usually housed in a metal or plastic casing near the engine. Remove the air filter and tap it gently to remove loose dirt and debris. If the filter is made of foam, wash it in a solution of mild detergent and warm water. Rinse thoroughly and squeeze out the excess water. If the filter is paper, you cannot wash it. Instead, use a soft brush or compressed air to remove the dirt. Allow the filter to dry completely if washed. Before reinserting the filter, clean the housing with a dry cloth. Reinstall the air filter and secure the housing. Regular cleaning of the air filter will help maintain the performance and longevity of your lawn mower.